So I'll be showing you how to unblock someone on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So if you've had a change of heart and you want to unblock someone you'd previously blocked, all you have to do is go to the contacts. So you can either open the contacts app or you can tap on the phone app and then select contacts and then find that person you want to unblock. So for instance, I had blocked my boss. So I'll just go to their contact, tap on the eye icon to open the contact in its own page, and you can tell this contact is blocked because there's going to be this little icon here. So what you want to do to unblock is tap on the three dot button in the bottom right corner, and from the menu select Unblock Contact, and that contact is now unblocked. You can see the icon has disappeared, and that contact can now call you or send you text messages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.